In this guide, we are going to show you how to hide your likes on Instagram. So Instagram actually allows you to hide likes on other people's posts, including on your posts as well. So in order to hide likes on other people's posts, simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, then navigate to the menu and select Settings. Then scroll down until you see Like and Share Counts. So go ahead and turn this on to hide likes on other people's posts. Then next, we can also go through how to hide likes on your own posts. So if you've already posted content, simply go to the post you want to hide likes for. Then go ahead and tap on the three-dot menu, then select the option to hide your likes. And if you want to hide likes on future posts, simply head to Advanced Settings when creating a new post. And after that, you can then choose to hide likes and view counts. And that's it. So that's simply how to hide likes on Instagram. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.